toy is a set of 11 toys. They're dog rope toys for aggressive chewers. If your dog is like mine, she or he will chew all these up in no time, so you may as well stock up. Current cost $21.99. See link below. The tough and durable Chuckit Ultra Ball. This ball is very durable and bounces and floats for fetch without any limits. Current cost on Amazon, $4.49. Now this is an amazing dog chew toy. The Wisedom Dog Toothbrush Stick and Puppy Dental Care Brushing Stick. This dog toothbrush is just like a chew toy that makes your dog enjoy brushing their teeth. Here is what you get. 1 dog toothbrush, 1 bone chew toy, a free gift, small cleaning brush stick, and manual instructions. Current price on Amazon, $18.99 with free shipping. Our next toy is the Kong. This is a classic dog toy, and my dog loves it. This toy is durable and comes in several sizes, depending on the size of your dog. It's great for training, and it's great for doing special treats to keep your dog busy. You can purchase the legendary Kong at Amazon between $10.99 and $24.99 depending on the size of your dog. If you have a puppy, this 12-piece gift set is just right for you. If your young puppy is doing a lot of chewing and is teething, this is a perfect kit for you. This kit is full of plush toys, squeaky toys, and ropes. You can find this 12-piece set at Amazon with free shipping for $16.99. Next is the famous Wobble Wag Giggle Ball, as seen in TV, and here's their video.
Your four-legged friends are always looking to have some fun, but when you're not around, they can be lonely and tear up the town. Not anymore. Introducing Wobble Wag Giggle Ball, the interactive ball that makes the most hilarious sounds, turning a lonely day into a fun day of play while you're away. Just a nudge from their nose and off it goes, wobbling around as it makes engaging play with me sounds. Wobble Wag Giggle Ball uses unique sounds, colors, and motion designed to mimic human laughter and joy, to engage your dog's natural curiosity and instincts to play. And when it's caught and shaken, it fills your dog with the pride of accomplishment. The secret are 3 tubes inside the ball that let out sounds when rolled around. The 6 catch pockets in the ball allow any size dog to pick up the Wobble Wag Giggle Ball. Flexible pet-safe construction makes Wobble Wag Giggle Ball super durable. Best of all, Wobble Wag Giggle Ball requires no batteries. And unlike high-pitched squeak toys that make your dog run away, the hilarious sounds the Wobble Wag Giggle Ball makes encourages them to stay and play. And the best part is, you'll know when you're not around, your dog will be active and happy with Wobble Wag Giggle Ball fun sounds. And listen to this, Wobble Wag Giggle Ball helps keep your dog happy, healthy, and fit, because you're giving him a workout without having to take him out. Look, older dogs slow down, but with the Wobble Wag Giggle Ball, you'll have them up and playing like a puppy again. It's healthy fun for dogs old and young. Plus, you'll know when you're not home, he'll never be alone with his Wobble Wag Giggle Ball.
As you can see, if you have a bored pet, this is a perfect toy. This toy is available at Amazon, free shipping for $11. And our next interactive toy is the blinking Babble Ball. It flashes and talks when touched. This fun toy comes in 3 different sizes depending on the size of your dog. And because it flashes and talks, it's good for special needs dogs. You can find this innovative ball at Amazon for $11.99 to $11.70 depending on the size of your dog. And next is the interactive treat ball, suggested for medium to large dogs. This toy is good for your dog's teeth and can be filled with treats. This toy can also assist in keeping your dog's teeth clean. Available at Amazon for $8.99 to $9.99 depending on the size of your dog. The Nylabone Dura Chew Power Chew Dog Toy. Yes, a 3-pack. Let's take the time to watch their video.
Okay, Winston, I'll be right back. Be a good boy. Oh, Winston, do you have to chew everything?
You can buy these dog toys individually or in a 3-pack, and they come in several sizes. Available at Amazon, prices vary between $5.34 and $18.99 depending on sets or singles. Our last toy set is a High Five Pets Dog Squeaky Toys with no stuffing. That's right, no stuffing. This 5-piece set is good for small dogs and big dogs, and it's safe and long-lasting. You can find this set of 5 Squeaky toys at Amazon for $21.99 with free shipping. And that concludes our set of 10